Hello guys, my name is Santos177. I'm going to show you how to create tokens on Omnicore on top of Bitcoin Gold. So the goal is create tokens as tickets for a concert of Daft Punk. So it's gonna be very fun. So first of all, we have to look the conf file. So the conf file is located in Bitcoin Gold. Yeah, Bitcoin Gold conf. Here we can see the RPC user, the RPC password, the RPC allow IP, the RPC port. This is very important because as a default Bitcoin Gold don't have the 22 bytes as Bitcoin. So this line is very important. Also, why is important? It's important because we are using the op returns to carry all the data on top the Bitcoin Gold, because Omni layer is a meta layer, so we need this amount here. We need the server option also. We need, in this case, we need regtest because we are going to be working in my computer, so that's fine. And TX index. So this is all that we need. So we're gonna start the server now. We're going to start a server as any server of Bitcoin Gold. I'm going to use the daemon option also. So yeah, Omnicore Gold server starting. Now we're going to use the client. We're going to use also the command omni get info. Yeah, here we have one block because after this video I was just proving some stuff, so I generate just one block. But if we do it again, we're going to see that the height of blockchain is 2. So now we can see also the list of properties that we have at this point. So we can check here the property 1 and property 2. The first one is Betelgeuse and the second one is test Betelgeuse. Those are just tokens as a default. So when some other user create his tokens, they can check here the list of tokens. So now we're going to create another token for our Daft Punk tickets. So we are going to use the command omni send isons mark. If you don't use the arguments and you and you only put the Omni send issuance manager, you can see all the arguments. So we need the issuance address from address. We need ecosystem. We are going to use just the main ecosystem, not the test. We need type, the divisible or indivisible. We are going to use the indivisible tokens because we are talking about tickets, not money or something else. So then the previous ID. For new tokens, we are going to use the 0, and then we have category, subcategory, name, URL, and another data. All this stuff is it's just information, extra information for the token. But I forgot something. We need, after all, Bitcoin Gold coins. We need a few Bitcoin Golds. So we are going to mine a few coins. So now we have to create an issuer address. So we are going to use the command get new address for account, for example Alice, and get new address for Bob, for example. So now we got two addresses. So we're going to send some Bitcoin Gold. Send to address. We want to send one Bitcoin Gold to Alice. And we're going to send one Bitcoin Gold to Bob. Oh, I made a mistake. We have to send. We have to use send from. Now we can send this. Yeah. Oh. Let me check the balance of the default account. This is weird. Oh yeah, I forgot. We have to generate more blocks, so we're going to mine, I don't know, 100 blocks. Now we are going to check the balance. Yeah, we got 200 Bitcoin Gold. So now we are going to send the money. I'm going to call this Alice, and I'm going to call the other one Bob. So now we have to send from the default account to Alice just one block, yeah, just one Bitcoin Gold. For Bob, another Bitcoin Gold. So now if we check the balance for account Alice, we can check the just one Bitcoin Gold. Of course, in the account of Bob, we're going to see the same. So now with this amount, we can create tokens. So now we are going to use the Bitcoin Gold client Omni send issuance just to remember what to write. So we have the address of Alice now. The ecosystem, we're going to use one. The type is indivisible because we're going to create tokens for tickets. The previous ID is 0 because we are created a new token. The category, we are going to write, I don't know, tickets, or maybe tokens. The subcategory is gonna be tickets. The name is going to be Daft Punk Concert. And the URL, I don't know, you can write whatever you want. The URL and data, the best band ever. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 arguments. So I think we are ready to create the tokens. Yeah, and we need to mine another block. So let's take a look at the list of properties. And there is, yeah, the property of the property ID of our tokens is 3. The name is 290 Daft Punk concert, category token, subcategory tickets, and yeah, indivisible, of course, is indivisible, so we are okay. And now how now we can send tokens using the send grant. The Omni send grant command, we can use the Omni send grant when we have tokens built with the Omni send issuance manager, because when you do that, you can create whatever amount of tokens that you want. So with this we can create a lot of tokens, but using just the address of the issuer. In this case is Alice. Alice is the owner of all entire tokens of, in this case, tickets for the Daft Punk concert. So now we can send from Alice to Bob just one ticket, for example. So we are going to put here the address of Alice, the address of Bob, and now we are going to put property D. In this case, property D is 3, and we are going to put also the amount. The amount in this case is one, just one ticket for Bob. So yeah, and now we have to mine again. Remember, when you put generate 1, it's like when you are in testnet or in mainnet and you wait for a confirmation of blocks. So now we have to see the balance for Bob to check if we have some tokens. We can watch the balance using Omni get balance command, and we have to add the Bob address, and we have to add the property D, in this case 3. So we have balance just 1, and it's okay. And for example, we can send another. We can send another from Alice again using send grant, or we can, for example, we can send, I don't know, maybe 20. And now we can check the balance for Bob. We can see the 21 tickets in the Bob's account. So that's the basic of how to create tokens and how to send tokens. And in the next videos we are going to discuss how to create crowd sales, how to play with the meta decks and the decks, and that's all for now. We're going to stop this. So bye bye.